Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making taco tater tot casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my copper chef. You can use any old skillet to brown up ground beef. I have 2.5 pounds of ground beef I browned up. Drain the excess grease off because it wasn't lean. Now I'm going to do everything in my copper chef. If you do this in a regular skillet that's non-stick, you can transfer it over into a casserole dish, and I'll show you when to do that. I'm going to start by adding to my drained ground beef a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. This is 10 ounces, so I'm going to add that in juice and all. Then I'm going to add in another can of water, that can that the tomatoes came in. I'm going to add that in with water. Okay. Now I have 2 packs of taco seasoning mix, so you can get any brand you like. This is just Walmart's brand. Dexter, you're all charged up today, aren't you? Yes. Okay, now I'm going to give this a stir. I'm going to turn my heat on to medium. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this up to a gentle boil and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes. Until the ground beef gets seasoned and the water is evaporated away. Alright guys, I let this cook over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Most of my liquid has evaporated away. Now, if you were going to do this in a casserole dish, this is where you would spray your casserole dish down with some cooking spray and transfer your meat over into it and make it nice and smooth and even like I have it here. Now, I have some shredded Fiesta blend cheese here. You could also use taco cheese or Mexican blend cheese. Pretty much all the same thing. I'm going to put a healthy coating over top of my taco ground beef. And guys, this is a real quick and easy, simple meal for a weeknight when you worked all day. And what we're doing with this cheese, this is going to act sort of like a cement to help glue our tater tots to the beef. Okay. Now I have a 32-ounce bag of tater tots here that I baked in the oven according to the directions, got them nice and browned up. I'm going to dump them in on top of the beef mixture. And you just want to go in and even them out. They don't have to be perfect, you just want to spread them out evenly. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put some more of that Fiesta blend cheese on top. You could also add a canned refried beans to this before you put the tater tots in. That would be a good addition if you like it. And Dexter's all charged up about this. He loves Mexican food. You just want to put a healthy coating on it, that way this will melt down all nice and evenly over top of your tater tots. And I'm probably just going to finish this bag up. This here was like a 4-cup bag, and there's probably about 2.5 cups left in it. Add as much or as little cheese as you like. Okay, now I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes till that cheese is all nice and melted all over the tater tots. Alright guys, this is done. It only took about 5 minutes in that 400-degree oven uncovered. I took it out and left the rest for about 5 minutes to help it set up some. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and garnished this with some chunky salsa. You could also use some sour cream or even some diced green onion on this if you would like. I'm going to get in here and try this. See this crusty cheese here? That's Holly's favorite part. So we'll start at that end. You can see the ground beef in there and all that melty cheese. Let me get a little bit of salsa there too. It's really good, guys. You get cheese and a taco flavor. The taste of beef. Then you get those tater tots that are crunchy on the outside and creamy on the inside. And then you get that fresh coolness from the salsa. That's really good, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Okay, there you have it. Taco tater tot casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.